Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the PassFab channel. This video, I will show you how to convert the disk from MBR to GPT using PassFab 4EasyPartition and the subsequent method of booting the disk. When you want to upgrade your PC from Windows 7 to Windows 10 or 11, then you need to check which style of disk you have. Windows 10 and 11 only support installation in GPT-style disks. If your disk partition style is MBR, then you need to convert it to GPT. Using PassFab 4EasyPartition can help you convert MBR to GPT without losing data. In the Convert Disk option, select MBR to GPT. Then select the disk and click Continue. Wait for the disk conversion to complete. The process is fast and will not affect your system data. Okay, the conversion was successful. Next, you need to make changes to BIOS. Restart your PC. Wait for the screen to go black and then keep pressing the BIOS boot button. I am using a Dell laptop and I need to press F12. Here, I have also listed some of the boot keys for common brands of PC. You can refer to them. After booting the BIOS, you need to find the boot option. Then just change the boot mode to UEFI boot. Then you can install and use Windows 10 or 11 on the disk. Okay, that's all for this video. Please give me a like if you find it helpful. I will post more videos about Windows. Subscribe to my channel to see my videos faster. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.